Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wow, Grand Design has done some stuff here in 2026. We're going to take a look at this 2026 Grand Design Reflection 100 series, model number 24RL. So let's get started. The length on this Reflection is 30 feet. The dry weight is 7,664 pounds with a hitch weight of 950 with a GVWR of 9,995.
Yep, and speaking of reflections, there's probably going to be a little sun reflection on this one. We're sorry, but it is a beautiful sunny day out here, and we haven't quite made it to 80 degrees yet, so we're enjoying this. But let's start right up here at the front. I'm going to show you the storage area. Of course, your batteries will go in there. Now this is going to have a 4-point leveling system on it, and like Jeremy said, this is 30 feet, so if you like to camp in the national parks or even older parks that have smaller sites, this is going to be a great choice for that.
Well, let me ask you this, can I pull this with our Chevy Love?
I would not suggest that. I know somebody out there is going to say, well, my half-ton will pull it. Safety wise, just be really, really careful what you do. I would suggest not doing it, but I know people don't always listen to me. Right here is going to be your propane tank. No, you don't. And your hookups are going to be here, and your tank pools are also right inside. There's your leveling system and your nice little pass-through storage area.
All right.
You have a dump area right there.
I just want to say, look how thick these baggage doors are.
They are
thick.
They are very thick, and when they shut, they have a nice sound to them. Real quick, underneath, this is going to have the Moride CRE 3000 suspension.
Man, they have done a number on the exterior of these now.
Yeah, it's got a little more of a crisp graphic package, and it looks really nice. So back here at the back, you are going to have a ladder to access your roof. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a hitch down here. Now this one came in during the rain, so it's got some road film. It's going to be rated for 3,000 pounds. Just be really careful if you decide to tow behind it. Here on your campsite, you do have a power awning.
19.
That is 19 feet. Alright. Coming down here.
Tankless water heater.
Right there. And your propane quick connect is going to be there with the little tag flapping in the breeze.
Did you say something about the hubs?
I did not.
They got the red hubs.
Yes.
Anti-lock brakes.
Anti-lock brakes. And here is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage. So you do have a light in there, and you've got satellite and cable power if you want to bring a TV out here. And then the other propane tank over here.
Yay!
All right. Now I love their new graphics. Apparently 25 and 26 is like year of the quilted look, because even his shoes are like that. So apparently that's the thing for this year. Well, let's go inside and see what they did in here.
All right, everybody, if you like how me and Amanda get out here on the lot and bring you these, go ahead and give us that thumbs up.
And subscribe. All right, let's give you a quick look around here.
Oh, wow.
Now, I know we have seen this floor plan before, but I really like the way they did this one, because a lot of times they will stick the dinette back here at the back, but instead this time you actually have your sofa back here. Nice big window, so this would be great backed up to a lake somewhere. You can sit back there and enjoy the views. Yeah, storage all across.
All the way.
Yeah.
Wow.
And here's going to be one of your AC units. Now, speaking of dinettes, you do have a dinette, but they moved it over here, so it's in the slide out. Now, of course, like all dinettes, you can make this into additional sleeping if you just really need to. You have a light up there. And another nice big window. That's actually...
Nice window.
Yeah, and these are going to open for some airflow.
And you know, and if you're sitting here, you can see all the way around.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, yeah, great job. Good lineup. Good layout on this one. And then here to finish out your slide is going to be your 12-volt compressor fridge.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice and tucked away. Now I'm going to take a step back and turn around. And
Wow.
this is going to give you some swivel capacity. So if you want to sit on the sofa, you could swivel this TV around. This looks like a 40.
It can go a little more. There we go.
Yeah, so say if you have a seat right here, it's going to be angled just right, actually. That's This is really comfortable too. I'm just going to have to say, we'll say that's a 40
It's 40.
inch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good this time. And before I miss it any further, you do have a nice little open storage area right down there to kick your shoes off when you come in the door. Now, Grand Design's going to put their heating in the cabinetry, not in the floors. You have some storage up above your TV, but then they give you these two nice big drawers down here. I mean, these are just really good size. You have some great storage right next to that. Now this is the 100 series, so it's a little lighter weight, so it's not going to have solid surface countertops. But you have really nice countertops in here. Okay, we're going up.
I'm going up this time.
Okay, so you got storage up above your microwave, a little bit smaller microwave, but hey, it will get the job done. You're going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and then there is a nice big drawer down here for pots and pans.
You know, they also have a 150 series. I know there's a little difference in...
I think the 150 may give you a little more things like the electric fireplace. And
Do they give you the blackout shades instead of these?
yeah, I think so.
I don't know. I'd have to do some research.
Nice storage up above your sink. And this is going to give you a large single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. You need to plug in back there in the corner, so a great place to put your coffee pot.
And I have to say, I like where they put the sink. And so many of them put it over here.
Mm-hmm.
I like this.
Yeah, so this gives you more of a little prep area right over here. And then again, you've got all kinds of storage across the top.
They still give you soft close cabinet doors.
I know.
I mean,
how nice is that? Oh, well, they give you a plug-in up there, so you could make a charging station up there if you need to. And then down here you have 3 more drawers.
wow.
Wow. And I know you're saying, now wait a minute. You're showing us cabinets and you've shown us a refrigerator, but I don't see anything that looks like a designated pantry area.
Huh. Wait a minute.
Hold
What's
that
this
thought.
right here? Ta-da!
Dun, ta-da.
Yeah, that's nice.
That is really, really nice. That is some great storage back there.
Who needs to tilt the TV?
I know, just open the
Just
door.
open it up and turn it. Wow, that is cool.
Yeah.
I mean, I know we've seen this before, but
I don't think we've seen it right there.
that's pretty neat.
All right, let's go up the stairs and see what else this one has to offer.
Woo.
All right. Now, as we have said 100 million times, Jeremy is 6 feet tall. But for this to be a lower profile and a smaller fifth wheel, you have plenty of headroom.
Yep. This same shower we got.
Yeah.
30 by 36.
Yep, actually it is.
Yep.
And as you can see, you got just a little bit of a step up getting into it, but not much. Your porcelain foot flush toilet over here is a little bit at an angle, so you have some great leg room in front of it. You can, you're going to roll up your towels and put them up there, but they do give you a little rack right there.
Mm-hmm.
I do like that. Your medicine cabinet is very wide. It's not very deep though, so may have to just keep that in mind, but it is a big mirror. Actually, good space around your sink, and then down below, you've got some space under there. You could put a wastebasket if you need to, and then you have these 3 drawers here.
And heating, there's one behind the toilet, and there's one right there. So hey,
we could not give this one the golden plunger because there's no real linen storage in it. But for a small unit,
it's really good.
This is not a bad bathroom. Okay, into the bedroom. This is going to have a north-south bed. Now, like we said, this is not a full profile, so you see it is going to slope here. And there is going to be, let me see if I can show you. There is going to be a step up. That just kind of comes with these mid-pro. Now, as we pointed out in the bathroom, Jeremy's 6 feet tall, so that's about as far as he can get without having to.
Yeah.
But I'm 5'2", and I can stand up there perfectly. So I'm just saying. But you do have nice storage here. They actually give you lights on both sides. You have power, USB and C charging. You have a little bit of a shelf right across there, so you could actually put your phone up there.
I like the little lights.
I do like their lights. Those are really nice. And then you have this open storage across here. You are going to have a second AC unit in this one.
Question. I know a good CPAP user could put it right here, right?
I think it fits there. We don't use CPAP, so I'm not really sure how big the footprint on those things are, but I think it should fit there.
Yeah.
All right, let's turn around and love this. So they do give you this wardrobe area down here. It is prepped for a washer. I would say a combo unit. You might get a stackable in here, but you may have to lose your drawers and everything.
Yeah.
You might have to do a lot of modifying. But they give you these great drawers down here. I mean, that is a really nice closet area. And then there is an open space again for more shoes if you want to stash those under there. While we're getting ready to lift the bed, the TV is going to go right over there above the window. And then you have storage here. Again, this gives you another shot of this little step up here. So just remember that it's there.
Hey, 2 air conditioners.
I know. 2 air conditioners in 30 feet, that is marvelous.
Nice. All right, everybody. If you like this Grand Design Reflection 100 series, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.